Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your OPPO A52, for the first you have to go for the Play Store and get application to transfer data. So let's tap on the search pool and type here CLONEit. We are going to use this application. It's really easy to use and you don't have to pay for it. So let's open it on both smartphones. Click sender on your Android phone, click set, turn on location, go back and click sender one more time. On your OPPO you have to click allow, accept all of the permission, click here receiver and click search again. Right now they are looking for our Android smartphone and here we have to tap on this icon. We can two ways to connect. And we can scan this code, but also we can input the password manually. So we have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. So tap, click allow, and right now just grab your phone and put it in the frame like that. Accept the request. And right now if you want to send everything, you have to click on all of these icons. And here we got all the size of the selected files and also the estimate times. There's the 60 minutes. But of course it's example, so I'm going for the details and I will send some music, maybe these two songs, and I'm going to select other stuff. Click start, OK. And as you can see, it's finished. So right now we can click here finished, close it, and just check what it is. So go for the file manager and then tap on the audio. And here we got the songs that we sent from our Android phone. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.